online education for children. Are you ready? Hi kids. Do you know who I am? I'm an owl, and I'm here to tell you about myself. I'm a bird with big round eyes and a face that looks like a mask. My feathers are soft and quiet, which helps me fly silently at night. I hunt for food like mice and insects using my excellent hearing and sharp talons. I can turn my head almost all the way around to see everything around me. I live in trees, barns, and sometimes in the city. I'm known for my hooting sound, which you can hear at night. Let's be friends and explore the nighttime world together. Thanks for watching.